This way you can see it before you buy it. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing, another new product. We're talking about Audiopipe here, and this is a controversial one. Make sure you hit that like button right now, share this out, and when we're done, leave a comment. As you can see, I'm at my house, working in my pool table, still healing up, but I'm bringing videos to you, and we're going to be kicking off giveaways real soon. What we're talking about today is a controversial product, because years ago when I grew up in this industry, this is what we had for capacitors. And everybody swore by them. 1 farad, 2.5 farad, and then they got bigger over time. But as we know, 1 farad really is not that much. It doesn't really do anything. But there's other reasons that you could use this in the system. It does blow my mind how many we still sell of these, and that manufacturer's still producing things like this. Well, what we have here is a 6 farad capacitor that is able to go up to 20 volts. So if you have a higher charging system, you won't worry about blowing this thing up. A capacitor is made to charge and discharge within milliseconds, so when the base hits, it supplies the rush of power to the amplifier and then recharges real quick. That can help with dimming of lights, but also longevity of your amplifier and base. We have some big super caps, especially by our big brand, we carry excess power. But for something smaller system, a distribution point, and also an LED readout of voltage, this could do you. This is $79.99 at the time I'm doing the video. That is a shipped price. What do you get for that? Well, it's actually pretty nice. And it's very simple. You can mount it straight in. This is actually like a rhino coated, but it's plastic. Inside is 6 farad capacitor, which is not a huge amount, but it does have an LED display, and you can use the distribution point. What do I mean by that? Well, say you have 2 amplifiers in your system and they're smaller. You can come from the battery to here and offer here to the amplifier, saving the distribution block. You're already going to have to make that other connection. Why not just do it here? This thing lights up and gives you a good readout on where your voltage is. Let's see what else you got in the box. They put a, looks like a diode. You have some mounting screws and an Allen key for the top there. And again, for under $100, actually $80, you really can't go wrong if you use it as a distribution point. Let's see here. Still recommend from the battery to the capacitor doing an inline fuse. What that means is you want to fuse it under the hood. You would also want to fuse it here. Why? Well, if you fuse it under the hood and something wrong there, it'll pop that one. But if something's wrong further back, you want a second fusing in the trunk or rear of the vehicle area. And if you have something wrong there, hopefully it pops that fuse. From there, you can tack on your amplifiers directly on top. Let's see. Digital PCB system will turn on automatically first time it's charged. Status LED light. Red decimal point display will not flicker. So I take that back. That little piece in there is actually like a capacitor. You want to charge this using that through the power side, just like you do on some of the ultra caps. They use a light bulb. Basically want to charge this up slow. Could this blow up? Well, back in the late 90s, early 2000s, I had seen and heard of situations where people would actually blow up capacitor, and it's just like the gel stuff that comes out, but it could hurt you. So I recommend first time charging it, use that resistor for sure. Okay, not much to it. The rest of it's in Spanish. They make it very simple, not a bunch of parts that you have to put together. $80 up to 20 volts. Use this as a little bit of an add-in help, 6 farad, and also a distribution point. You can check this out going under our Audiopipe, or the part number is ACAP D6000. They'll probably put it up on the screen. Amazing. People still use a lot of these. I think it's more just visual and a good distribution point. I like that idea. Well, if you're interested in one of these, get it at bigjeffaudio.com. $79.99 shipped to you. You also get rewards points. We have financing. Multiple reasons why you should shop with us, and we'll get you taken care of. Hey, I'm Big Jeff, coming to you from my house, trying to heal up to get back in the office. but still putting in the work so I can keep up to date with you all. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a comment. Make sure you hit that like button. That really helps out. And share this out. That's all I ask for. Hey, I'll see you on the next video.